Hi, my name is Harim Lee, and today I'll be talking to you about the issue of abortion. I would like to start with a statement from Governor Kim Reynolds. It states, if death is determined when a heart stops beating, then doesn't a beating heart indicate life? For me, it is immoral to stop an innocent beating heart. The statement above is by Kim Reynolds, Governor of Iowa. Governor Reynolds signed the heartbeat bill, which bans abortions once a fatal heartbeat has been detected around the sixth week of pregnancy. However, there are exceptions, such as rape, incest, or medical emergency. According to an article by Jessica Ravitz from CNN, at some point in the US history, abortion was part of life in the country. No one seemed to protest, or services were advertised and marketed very openly. The first issues regarding abortion didn't focus on religion, politics, or even mortality. It had concern in regard to poisoning. Since the mid 19th century, the issue of abortion became one of the most discussed topics in the news, politics, and schools. There has not been a bill or policy that provides a middle ground for both sides. However, the heartbeat bill provides the best solution for both sides. Missouri should endorse the bill of heartbeat abortion bill that blocks abortion once a fetus heartbeat is detected. Today we'll discuss a few main points. First, the standpoint in regard to abortion from pro-life and pro-choice perspective. Second, the issue with abortion and what types of dangers it can impose on all the parties involved. Lastly, the heartbeat bill, which is a solution that should be implemented in Missouri and other states as well. Now let's examine the issue of abortion from both the pro-life and pro-choice standpoints. 1973 was a significant year for the issue of abortion. The case that attracted attention across the U.S. during the year was Roe v. Wade. The Supreme Court ruling in the case held the woman's right to an abortion fell within the right to privacy protected by the 14th Amendment. It gave women a total autonomy over the pregnancy during the first trimester, and this ruling affected the laws within 46 states. Aside from Roe v. Wade, another significant case that impacted abortion was Planned Parenthood of Southern Pennsylvania v. Casey. The ruling imposed a new standard for the validation of laws restricting abortion. The new standard asks the question whether a state abortion regulation has the purpose or effect of imposing the undue burden defined as substantial obstacle in the path of a woman seeking an abortion before the fetus attains viability. The two cases above significantly shaped the view on abortion, and the reaction was divided, pro-life and pro-choice. The point of conflict when it comes to both sides is when pro-life values human life even when it's undeveloped, and pro-choice is the government doesn't have the right to impede a woman's decision to terminate the pregnancy. However, they both share the goal of reducing the number of abortions. Abortion can be viewed as a solution, gateway, abandoning responsibilities, or just a personal choice. However, the result not only affects one person, it affects multiple people. So what are the issues with abortion? First, it's deliberately killing innocent human being. No human life is worth another human's life. The aftermath of abortion has the impact on the person. Psychological issues, emotional issues, and physical side effects can emerge from abortion as well. Study that included 56,741 California Medicaid patients revealed that women who had abortions were 160% more likely than delivering women to be hospitalized for psychiatric treatment in the first 90 days following abortion. The rate stays high for 4 years. Another study showed that 8 weeks after abortion, 44% patients complained of nervous disorder, 36% sleep disturbances, 31% regrets about abortion and their decision, 11% prescribed psychiatric medicine. A study by the Britain's Royal College of Psychiatrists shows that women who had abortion are 81% more likely to experience subsequent mental health problems, 59% increased risk for suicidal thoughts, 61% increased risk for mood disorder, 61% increased risk for social anxiety disorder, 261% risk for alcohol abuse, and lastly, 281% increased risk for any substance use disorder. Abortion imposes physical dangers as well. Advice and Aid Pregnancy Centers list some of the physical damage that abortion can have on the woman. Here are some of them: excessive bleeding, abdominal pain and cramping after the procedure, infection of the uterus or blood, damage to cervix, and scarring of the uterus. Now that we have viewed two important cases regarding abortion and the issues that abortion can have on the person, let's move on to the solution, the heartbeat bill solution. It is hard for myself to put myself in a position of the person who needs to deal with abortion or its dilemma. The topic is very sensitive, and the statistics shown above might not apply to every single person who goes through the process. Therefore, it's crucial to examine the issue from the two standpoints and come to an agreement, and the heartbeat bill is a solution. What is the heartbeat bill? It is a legislation banning abortion once a fetal heartbeat has been detected, which can be noticed around the week 6 of pregnancy. There are exceptions of rape, incest, or medical emergency. Governor Kim Reynolds was aware of the critiques and responded, "This is bigger than just a law. This is about life. I'm not going to back down from who I am or what I believe in." The reason that I think it should be implemented not only in Missouri but all other states is because it gives the period time to make the decision for the woman. Furthermore, one of the supporting points for making abortion legal is the fact that the fetus is not legally or scientifically a person or human being, so abortion cannot equal to murder. Yes, I do understand that position, which is why the heartbeat bill is crucial. Once life is detected, the fetus is not longer just a thing, it is a living human being, which will make abortion a murder of a human being. Yes, there are so many different factors that are taken into considering abortion. I am sure that no one wants to kill a person. Raising a child requires a lot of commitments, financial resources, and more responsibilities that the person might not be ready for. Also, personal choice is very important. I'm not trying to neglect the fact that everyone has the right to make their own decision. However, those decisions don't become personal choices anymore with a living human being within your own body. The bill requires several steps. First, the women who are seeking an abortion to have an ultrasound, which is a time for the physician or doctor to detect whether there is a heartbeat or not. The bill also prohibits someone from acquiring, providing, receiving, transferring, or using a fetal body part in Iowa. We have looked over the problem in regard to abortion and the solution proposed for it. Let's summarize the main points. Abortion is a very sensitive topic. As I said before, I cannot imagine how hard it is for someone to go through the process and make the decisions. Yes, the effect of the decisions cannot be ignored. As much as people believe and support pro-life or pro-choice, I think the heartbeat bill is the common ground and solution for the issue of abortion. To conclude, I propose that Missouri should endorse the Bill of Heartbeat abortion bill that blocks abortion once a fetus heartbeat is detected. There is no better statement to describe life than Governor Kim Reynolds has stated. If death is determined when a heart stops beating, then doesn't a beating heart indicate life? For me, it is immoral to stop an innocent beating heart. Thank you so much for listening.